दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलाची पदां फुडल्या 3 ते 4 म्हयन्यांत भरतलो। येता ते मंत्रिमंडळ बसकेंत ह्या भरती प्रक्रियेक मान्यताय मेळटली अशें आश्वासन भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिलें। दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो हॉस्पिटला विशीं कोर्टान दाखल केल्ले याचिकेचेर सरकार प्रतिज्ञापत्र सादर करतले, राणेन अशें सांगलें। हाचे आदीं म्हाका ह्या विशयाचेर आश्वासनां मेळिल्लीं आसात। येता त्या वर्साक देवान सरकाराक मातशी बुद्द दिवची इतलेंच मागता अशें म्हणीत विजय सरदेसायान सरकाराक तोमणो मारलो।
He has gone to ask for justice for this hospital, and I am saying that this has to be done. I am not debating on anything. Tomorrow, even if I file an affidavit, it will be in compliance that within so many months I will complete it. But the reason is also you have to understand is that I must also get, now we have contractual posts we have got. I think director has now moved the file, it is coming to the cabinet. So that all the contractual posts which are there, they will be filled up. These are on contract basis. We need doctors also. It is not only having the equipment. You need doctors also to run the facilities. Two things are required. Cath lab was assured by our government. Cath lab has to become a reality in the South Goa District Hospital. Second, neurology and neurophysicians are required in case of accidents, and orthopedic surgeons. We need these three main things. Other things, then we can figure it out how to do it. And we need this at this moment. We are going to make sure this happens. Mr. Vijay Sardesai is a good friend of mine. If he files the petition, he's filed it on the people of his constituency and peripheral to get the benefit. I have no this thing about it. I am telling you also my affidavit will be within next 3 months or 4 months. No, 4 months. But I need also doctor. I have told doctor. She knows. I have also told her that she has to advertise all the posts. I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister also. He has said to put up a comprehensive file one time so that all the posts are there. And we need doctors. It's not easy to get doctors. You may get a medical officer, but to get a super specialist is very difficult. So we have to sit down and create that salary structure we were talking about.
Sir, म्हाका एश्युरन्साचेर उलोवपाचें ना, कित्याक म्हाका एश्युरन्साक खूब पयलीं मेळ्ळा आनी आतांय मेळटलें। हांव फक्त देवा कडेन मागता की नव्या वर्साक देवान तांकां बरी बुद्धी दिवची, सरकाराक बरी बुद्धी दिवची। आज जेन्ना सरकार एक जेनेरीक स्टोर घालता म्हणल्यार कितें, म्हणल्यार एक अफोर्डेबल मेडिकल केअर आमच्या लोकांक दिवची म्हणून। पूण अफोर्डेबल मेडिकल केअर दितना ते हॉस्पिटल फंक्शनल नाका। यू हॅव अ हॉस्पिटल एंड यू हॅव गॉट मेडिसिन्स विच आर नाव गेटिंग अफोर्डेबल ऑल्सो, बट द हॉस्पिटल ओनली इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग। सो वॉट आर यू, वॉट इज, वेर डू यू गो? सो देर इज अ बिग इशू एंड आई एम इन द कोर्ट, सो आई शुड नॉट बी स्पीकिंग टू मच because this is now matter that is sub judice and it's going to come up. And I myself am in the petition. I'm going to follow it up. I have pursued it. You have also seen that I have diverted the topic from the generic medicine to the functions of the hospital.
विजय बाब, पेशंटाची सोयी सारकी जायना, दुसरे वाटेन मेडिसिना अवेलेबल आहा, पण कशें कितें पळोवपाचें?
पेशंटूच तर भितर येवचो ना जाल्यार मेडिसीन अवेलेबल करून कितें फायदो जातलो? पेशंट कित्याक येतलो थंय? कसलें हें करपाक येतलो? क्रोसीन गुळी घेवपाक पेशंट तो तें हॉस्पिटल? दीस इज सपोज टू बी अ स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटल. इट इज मेंट फॉर द होल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ साउथ गोवा. So something is wrong, and let us hope in the new year things change.